So as you may already know, you can change the colors of objects in Inkscape by clicking on them one by one and applying fill colors. But what if you wanted to change an entire range of colors all at once so that you get a more consistent result like this while saving yourself a bunch of time? This is where the HSL adjustment extension comes in handy, and in this tutorial we'll be going over how you can use it. So to get started, I have this example design here on my canvas. It just consists of individual vector objects. I'm going to click and drag over all of them to select them and group it all together by going to Object and selecting Group. Now I'm going to open up my extensions menu over here. I'll come down to where it says Color and I will select HSL Adjust. Let me bring this menu over here. Now HSL stands for Hue, Saturation, and Lightness. To show you how this works, let me turn on the live preview. First, I'll show you what saturation and lightness does, and then I will explain hue. So saturation is the intensity of the color. So if I bring this all the way up, we have more vibrant, intense colors. If I bring this all the way down, the colors become more muted. And if I bring it all the way down like that, we end up with an almost, or a black and white image, as you can see there in that grayscale. Let me set this back to 0. Lightness represents the lightness of the color. So if I bring this up, we end up with a lighter result like that. Or if I bring this down, we end up with a darker result like that. So let me reset that as well. And then finally, hue is what you would use to change the actual color. So if I move this over here, we end up with this color. Or if I move this down more, we end up with that color. And as you go up and down this scale here, you can run through the entire gamut, the entire range of colors. You can make this object virtually any color that you want. You can use green, blue, or whatever. In the thumbnail of the video, I used a pinkish purple, so I will use something like that right there. And then you can, if you want to, you can change the saturation to increase the intensity of that color. And then finally over here, you can use your lightness to adjust that if you want. I think this looks better with a modest lightness like that. And once you're finished, click the Apply button once. And I say once because once you click it, nothing visibly is going to happen on your screen. Well, nothing's going to change that you can see anyway. But the changes are now applied. And if you click that button again, it's going to apply those changes a second time. So you'll end up with a different result. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Click that button once, and once you click it, close out of the menu. And now if I ungroup these objects and select them one by one, you can see their colors have indeed been changed. This is not a temporary filter or some kind of adjustment layer. These are actual changes that have been applied to the subject, as you can see there. So that is how you can change colors globally using the HSL adjustment in Inkscape. If you found this lesson useful, then consider checking out my Inkscape Masterclass. It's a collection of over 60 videos where I go over all of the tools and features in Inkscape, and I explain what they are and demonstrate how they work. Kind of like how I did in this video. We even have a private community where you can ask questions and get help from me anytime you want. And best of all, there's no monthly membership fees. You just pay $17 one time and you're in for life. I'll have some information about that down below if you want to check that out. As always, thanks for watching.